Hello students, today's topic is logic gates from chapter 2 logic gates and logic families, subject digital techniques 22320. Logic gate is the smallest digital circuit. As you know that any digital circuit can understand only binary number system. So the input is 1 and 0 and the output can also be 1 or 0. So basically you can define logic gate as an electronic circuit which makes logic decisions. The very important point of the logic gate is the logic gates can have 2 or more inputs and 1 output. But this is most important advantage of digital circuit, that is they can have 3 inputs, 4 inputs, 5 inputs, 6 inputs, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. So that and the output is 1. So number of inputs they can have. Then the next important point is the output can have 2 conditions, that is logic 0 or logic high. So here the logic 0 means it corresponds to voltage 0 and the logic high means it corresponds to voltage is equal to 5 or more. This is the basic voltage level settings for any binary circuit. This you will be able to understand when we will perform practicals in laboratory. The logic gates are also called as switches. Now we will start with the different types of logic gates. This is very important from your exam point of view. The logic gates are classified as basic gates, universal gates and derived gates. The basic gates are OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate. Universal gates are NAND gate and NOR gate. Derived gates are XOR gate and XNOR gate. Derived gates are also called as special purpose gates. We will start with the OR gate. The symbol of the OR gate is as shown in this slide. But practically if you will see, OR gate is an IC, integrated circuit. It is a 14-pin IC that you will be able to understand in the laboratory. Now here if you want to draw on this book, so it has to be symbolized as shown here. This OR gate is having 2 inputs. It can have 2 or more inputs also, but here I have shown only 2 input OR gate. Now any digital circuit can be represented by, the output can be represented by truth table or mathematical expression as shown in the next slide. Now check here, the output of OR gate is represented by Y, which is shown in the symbol, as well as the input is represented by A and B. So the equation written here is Y is equal to A plus B. So here plus sign indicates your OR gate. So this is called as Boolean expression, also called as mathematical equation. So Boolean expression or mathematical equation, if you want to write for this gate, it can be written like this: output Y is equal to input A plus B, and here plus means your OR gate and A and B represents the input. Now we have seen the mathematical equation of the OR gate in the last slide. As I said, any digital circuit output can be represented in 2 forms. One is mathematical equation or Boolean equation, which was shown in the last slide, and the second one is truth table. So truth table can represent the output as well as input as shown here. So check out, the truth table of the OR gate is given here. It consists of the first column A as input, second B also as input, and the last column Y as output, and Y is equal to A or with B. So the inputs A. Now when you are giving any input to a digital circuit, they can understand only binary language. So either you can give 0, either you can give 1. So consider the first row. if the input A is 0 and if the input B is also 0. That means if both the inputs given are 0 by you. So if you are giving both the inputs as 0, the output is 0. It will give the output that is 0. And if you give the input to OR gate as 0 and the second input B as 1, then it will give the output as 1. So if you will check, the output you will get is a binary 1. Now if you give input A as 1 and input B as 0, it will give the output as 1. And if you give both the inputs A and B, both input as 1 and 1, then the OR gate will give the output as 1. So how to understand it? So logically it is said that if one of the input to OR gate is 1, any one, means out of the two inputs, if one is input is 1, one of the input is 1, other can be anything, output is always 1. This is called as logic circuit. So logically it is like this. Now if you check the first input 0 and 0, both are 0, therefore it is, the output is 0. But if you check the second inputs 0 and 1, one input is 1, so output is 1. Then third input, one input is 1, second is 0, but since one input is 1, output is 1. And last, both the inputs are 1, so output is 1. It is like binary addition. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 and 1 in binary it is 0 carry 1. But here you consider both as 1. Now next logic gate is AND gate. It is a basic gate. Then it can have two or more inputs. Here only two input AND gate symbol is shown here. To check the symbol, it is shown here. It is having input A and B and the output as Y. The logical equation of AND gate is as shown here. Y is equal to, Y is the output. Y is equal to input A, input B, and at the center you are having a dot sign there. That means it is an AND gate. The dot indicates AND gate. So Y is equal to A dot B. The truth table of AND gate is as shown here. The first column is of input A, the second column is of input B, and the third column is of output Y. So Y is equal to A dot B. So A dot means AND gate. So if both the inputs A and B is 0, output is 0. If you give input A as 0 and B as 1, the AND gate will give output 0. If first input if you give as 1, the second input if you give it as 0, AND gate still gives the output 0. And if both the inputs are 1, output is 1. So logically you can say AND gate is sensitive to 0. That means if one of the input to AND gate is 0, output is 0. So in the first input 0 0 if you give, output is 0 only, because one of the input is 0. Second may also you can check, one of the input is 0, second input is 1. But since one input is 0, output is 0. Third also one input is 0, second one input is 1, and second input is 0, output is 0. And third, last 1 and 1, it is 1. It is like your multiplication, maths multiplication. 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, and 1 into 1 is 1. This is how you can remember the AND gate. Next gate, basic gate, is called as NOT gate or inverter gate. This is the only logic gate which is having only one input and one output. This is the only one gate. Rest of the gates can have two or more inputs, but this is the only gate. It is having one input and an output. The symbol of the NOT gate is as shown here. A is the input and Y is the output, and the equation is A bar, which is as shown here. The mathematical equation of NOT gate is as shown here. Y is equal to A bar. The upper bar which is shown there, it is nothing but your NOT gate. So A is the input, and above that you have to give one line, that bar, so that is your NOT gate. Now the truth table of NOT gate is here shown. It is having only one input, that is A. So therefore one single column of A, and the output Y is equal to A bar. So that means if in the input, since it is having one input, if you give 0, it will give always opposite of it, so that is 1. And if you will give 1, it will give opposite of it, that is 0. Therefore it is called as inverter. It inverts 0 ka 1 it will give, and 1 ka 0 it will give. Now the next gate we are going to see is NAND gate. It is called as universal gate. It comes in the category of universal gate. Now NAND gate is a universal gate, and NOR gate is also an universal gate. Why they are called as universal gates? This is most important, because any digital circuit can be realized using NAND gate and NOR gate. That means even if you don't have basic gates like OR gate, AND gate, NOT OR gate, NOT gate, still if you are having only NAND gates, still you can realize any digital circuit using only NAND gate. Therefore it is called as universal gates. The symbol of the NAND gate is as shown. Check here. First you can see it is of AND gate, and then a small bubble is there. There are two inputs A and B, and the output Y is equal to A dot B the whole bar. Now here you can understand that NAND gate is a combination of AND gate and NOT gate. That means there is a combination of two gates here to form a single gate called as NAND gate. First is AND gate, and then at the output of the AND gate, NOT gate is connected. But in shortcut you are going to symbolize the NAND gate as shown here. The equation of the NAND gate is as shown here. Y is equal to inputs names first A and B, and since it is an AND gate first, so dot is shown there, A dot B, and then at the output of the AND gate, NOT gate is connected, so therefore the whole bar, so it is A dot B the whole bar. This is the truth table of AND gate and NAND. So here first column is of input A, second column is of input B, third column is of A and B, because first AND gate operation will take place, and then the last column is Y is equal to A and B the whole bar, because after AND operation, NOT operation will take place. The function of the NOT gate is whatever is coming as an input, it will complement it. That means it will replace it with its complement. So if 0 is coming, it will convert it to 1, and if 1 is coming, it will convert it to 0. So here if the inputs both are A and B, both are 0, so output is 1 here, final output. But we'll check out what happens if A is ANDed with B. So if 0 0, and the gate operation gives 0 into 0 is 0, and the output Y, NOT gate operation will take place, so that 0 is converted into 1. So 0, if one of the input is 0, second input is 1, then the output is 0 and its complement is 1. If one of the